and welcome to another Vlogmas. So it is day one. I am so excited for Vlogmas this year. It has been a while, guys. Yes, Vlogmas, it is happening. If you are new here, by the way, my name is Katie. I am an expat in Bangkok and I vlog about my life here, and this month I'm showing you all the festivities. We're staying in Thailand for Christmas, so I can't wait to share our month with you. And it is a Tuesday because I'm starting Vlogmas on the 30th, so that I have a video for the 1st, and I'm on my way to school. So let's go for our first day of Vlogmas. Hi guys, so it is now 9:15, so I have a free period. My kids gone to swim in, so I'm gonna crack on with proofreading reports. Yeah, but it's that time of the year, everything is a go. So proofreading reports and then marking science papers. Fun, fun, fun. Guys, so it's now lunchtime. I feel like this morning has been non-stop. So I had an English lesson, first lesson, and we were looking at poetry. I had a free period where I was proofreading reports. Then we had math skills where we have a revision lesson on a website that we use, and then we had a reading lesson. And actually it's quite fun. In reading at the moment, my children in pairs they're making their own Christmas picture book, which is quite a fun lesson to do, so they enjoyed that. Then I have another free. Tuesday is a good day for me because I have 2 frees. I have a lesson free, which is quite nice. So in my second free, I was checking my science tests. So we had assessments last week. So I was looking for my science assessments, and now it is lunchtime. So happy days. But after lunch, I do have maths, which teaching maths on the last lesson of the day is a tough time to teach. But anyway, I'm going to tuck into my lunch. I'll quickly show you what I've got. So from 7-Eleven, you can get these ready meals, and they're actually, I'll see if I can find them next time when later on I'll probably go into 7-Eleven after work and I will show you them. But basically they're these different microwave meals that they're made by, they're designed by chefs that are in Thailand, and they're actually really good. I think they're only 69 baht, something like that. And they taste really good. So this is a pork macaroni one. I haven't tried this one yet, but they have a really good Indian curry one, and a really good minced basil rice dish. So I'm looking forward to trying this. Also, I want to show you this at the moment. This is a chocolate covered cherry smelling body spray, and it's really nice. It's like a gentle mist, which is fantastic for here because obviously you get so warm here. So I use this a lot in my classroom, but I also use it, so I use it on myself, but I also use it to spray my room, and my kids love it. And I've actually used this a lot, and you can still see here it's barely got a dent in it, so it's a really good value. So if you see this, definitely get some if you find a smell that you like, because it seems to last for ages. And yeah, it's great. I love it. And just like that, it is the end of the day. That was one stressful maths lesson. Now I need to decorate my room and get my advent ready. So I'll show you that when I do it. But let's get some Christmas music on and get decorating.
My only wish, I don't need a perfect snowman, and I don't need the bells and boughs, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Look at all the Christmas lights, how they paint this town in colors, but they hold nothing next to you, 'cause you're shining like no other. Ooh, I don't want what's wrapped in paper. No, I don't long for gifts of gold, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. And I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you.
Right, so my Christmas decorations are done. Now I need to do my advent calendar. So if you watched my Vlogmas last year, I do an advent calendar for my class, and what I do is I put like little clues in there that link to a Christmas like activity for that day. And last year I had like a candy cane in each one, and the children picked their name out of a hat, and each day a different child would get a candy cane. However, this term, because last year we were here until like near Christmas, this term we break up on the 10th of December, so we only have, is it the 10th or the 11th, one of the two, it's like next Friday, but we don't have that long in school now because they wanted to give everyone a month off over Christmas in case people needed to go back to their home countries, that we have a lot of international children, so that is why we have a longer Christmas. But it means that we break up earlier, which is lovely, but it does mean that I don't actually have that many days with the kids. So I can't really do like an individual candy cane in each day. So what I'm going to do instead is put little clues that link to Christmas activities, and then on a few different days have a few kind of nice treats. So like one day I think I might bring in some donuts, another day I think, what is it, they're obsessed with cheese, I don't know, so I might get some cheese strings on one day, I'm not sure yet, so I need to figure that out, and that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so this is basically what I did last year, so I just need to adapt this. And basically there's like different activities, so there's like a Christmas similes and metaphors task cards, like these all link to my own drive just because it's how I organise myself, but things like make an ugly sweater, and there's like a drama activity, 3D snowmaking, which we've kind of already done. I need to do some more of that because we started this in like a what's it called, a CFT time, which is like their fun time, and the kids loved it, but we only have like 30 minutes to do it, so we made a grand total of 2 3D snowflakes. So I might do some of this more. There's like a would you rather game, which is a really nice little game to do in the morning. Brain buster, like math skills lessons, Christmas around the world for reading, like there's loads of different activities on here. Christmas roller story, like loads of different stuff, and a lot of this stuff I got from either Twinkle or Teachers Pay Teachers, or I've like found the ideas or made them myself. So yeah, so this is kind of the activities that I did last year, so now I just need to adapt it to this year. And what I do is I have these just like little slides that I print off. It's got a clue, so it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. And that's the first activity where we do like, well, I think that's the 3D snowmaking actually. They all like link to what does an ugly Christmas look like. That's the ugly like sweater. So there's like little clues, and the children will have to try and work out what the clue is, and then it leads to the activity that day. So yes. And also, because I've only got like a few days with them, I've got like 2 different advents. So this is one I used last year, and then one of my colleagues left me this one, so I'm kind of tempted to use this one for like treats. I'm not sure yet, I haven't decided. Right, so I've sorted out my advent calendars. So I'm gonna have 2. So I've got one advent calendar that's like clues like this. So it'd be things like Roller Christmas, which is our story, what does an ugly Christmas look like. So these are kind of more productive ones that we'll be doing in class. One of my favourites is Let It Snow. And I did this with my class last year and they loved it. So I bought a load of fake snow on Lazada. So hopefully that arrives soon. And with the class, I show them how to make this fake snow and then I give them a pack to take home with them as well. So that is what they'll be doing on that day, but it's my favourite activity. Anyways, then the other one is a clues one. So I haven't done this one before, but I just figured because we only have like 9 days at school left, I just figured it might be quite nice. So what I want to do is I'm going to talk to the kids tomorrow. We're doing Secret Santa, but I also want to talk to the kids about what Christmas means and the idea of giving gifts, but also giving people your time and saying thank you. Like for me, saying thank you is just such a lovely gift, especially from kids when it comes like genuinely without them having to be told by their parents, just, you know, like recognizing the work that I do as a teacher and saying thank you. And it's rare, but that's one of my favorite gifts, is just someone recognizing my hard work. But anyway, what I'm going to do is this is going to be like a clue. So I haven't actually filled it in, I've just said find me. So I'm going to talk to them about what gifts mean and what types of gifts, like how the gifts come, in the sense of we have physical gifts but other types of gifts as well, so that and then each day they're going to have a different type of gift. So it might be like the gift of time on the iPad, or it might be the gift of teamwork, or, you know, those types of things. But I just thought that might be quite a nice little thing to do. So I'm going to set these up and then I'm going to go home because it's 3:30 and we have Apple Watches coming today. So this is the gift to me. But actually, me and Callum wanted an Apple Watch for a while now, and we were like, this is the year that we're going to get an Apple Watch. So we bought each other an Apple Watch for a birthday/Christmas present, and that arrives today. So I'm very excited to get that, open that up, and I'll show you that when I get home as well. So yeah, I'm going to pack up and I shall see you in a bit. Right guys, I'm just getting out on my floor now, home now, happy days, going to do a bit of exercise and spend the evening. My watch should be here, so that's great. And then I think we're gonna have a nice dinner. We've got paleo rub tonight, so I'll show you that. And yeah, have a chill out evening. So we have these Apple Watches and they are our first ever Apple Watch. We have both gone for the midnight blue colour and we have the black sports band that goes with it. Really excited for this. So in Bangkok, they have these in the Thailand store now, but it's a very limited supply. So we wanted to buy these when they first came out. In the end, they sold out really, really quickly. So we ended up ordering them online and they took about 6 weeks to get here. So that's why we're only opening them today, because this is just how long they took to get here. So if you are in Thailand and you would like any Apple products at the moment, I know one of my friends was struggling to get one of the new phones. The supply is just a little bit slow at the moment. So that is why it took so long. But look at how beautiful. Even the boxing, guys. This is what I love about Apple. I'm such an Apple fangirl. I do apologise. Anyway, I'm going to open this up and we're going to have a little play around with our new watches. Right, guys. So it is now quite a few hours later. So I did open my Apple Watch. Loved the Apple Watch. So this is my first ever one. So we both have the midnight blue watch. I think I mentioned earlier, and I'm loving it. So I'm only just kind of getting used to it now. It's taken me a little while, but yeah, love the watch. It's great. So I'm just gonna try and figure out how to use it, play around with it over the next few days. But thank you so much for watching this video, this first day of Vlogmas. We're about to have dinner. So this evening we are having a burger and like burger and like cabbage and salads and stuff. So I think I mentioned this in a vlog before, but we order from a place called Paleo Rob. So it's like 700 calories this meal, so it's like low calorie keto meals. And we don't always stick to that diet, like we're not keto people, but we do try to have, keto food as much as possible, just because we're trying to trim down a little bit. We're trying to be a bit more healthier. So that's what we've got for dinner this evening. So it should be really nice. So I'm going to sign off here. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe, because in the next few weeks we have got things like a Christmas market. I'm making a wreath with one of my friends from work. We are going to be eating out a lot because I have about a week and a half left of school, and then we have got like the rest of the time in Bangkok just exploring, eating out, doing all of the Christmas things. So make sure you hit subscribe if you would like to see more of that content. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Take care, and I shall see you tomorrow. Bye.